Hey, have you used Amazon's Elastic Container Registry, ECR, before?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful tool for container image management.
What makes it different from other container registries?
ECR is a fully managed service that seamlessly integrates with other AWS services like Kubernetes, Docker Compose, ECS, and EKS.
That sounds impressive. How does the pricing work?
ECR offers a transparent pricing model, catering to both public and private repositories. The AWS Free Tier provides 500 megabytes storage for 1 year, and beyond that, the cost is 10 cents per GB month for private repositories. For public repositories, ECR offers 50 GB month free storage and additional storage, depending on authentication. Exceeding these limits incurs a charge of 10 cents per GB month.
What are the advantages of using ECR?
ECR offers seamless integration with the AWS ecosystem, making it a natural choice for users. It aligns with AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM), enabling easy configuration of policies and access controls for images. ECR images seamlessly fit into EKS manifests, simplifying the deployment of containerized workloads. ECS, another container orchestration service, caters to teams seeking a straightforward approach to container management. Integrating with ECR involves adding images to task definitions, offering a smooth path for containerized application deployment.
That's impressive. How do I get started with ECR?
Before diving into ECR, ensure you have AWS credentials with ECR interaction permissions, Docker installed on your operating system, and AWS CLI installed locally. To create a new repository, go to the ECR homepage and click the Get Started button. On the Create Repository page, choose Visibility, Public or Private. Name the repository succinctly. Configure additional options like tag immutability, scan on push, and KMS encryption. Note the repository URL structure, accountid.dkr.ecr accountregion.amazonaws.com/repository name. Click Create Repository to initiate your ECR repository. To push an image to the repository, ensure Docker is installed, authenticate your Docker client to your registry, tag your image, and push the image to the repository.